Hey, this is Alethea, wishing you and yours peace and blessings in this new year. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. And as you all can see, I did the awkward slow motion again. So with this look, I don't even really know what to call it, but let's just go into what we're starting off with. So I primed my lids with the soft ochre paint pot from MAC. And then I used the Saharan 2 palette for this look. Now let me just tell you guys, I'm gonna try to read off these colors, but whoever decided to put these colors in white font on this yellow background, whew, they need their behind whipped. But anyway, I started off with the color Taza for my transition color, so to speak. And this is the second look I've done with this palette. The first look came out awful, so I had to start back over. Anyway, so I'm going to darken up my crease just a bit with the color Fez right down in the bottom left hand corner. And then I'm going to go in and start with my lid color, and it's the color, I just had to get the one that's hard to pronounce. I'm going to put the spelling for this one there. I'm not even going to butcher it today. No, I'm not. I'm not going to butcher it. Anyway, this color was supposed to go over my entire lid, but it was at this point that I decided, whoa, let's add a different color. So right after I put that color, I go in with the color Nomad for the middle portion of my lid. I think it's so cute. What are you guys? So there are those times that I don't like to put a brow bone highlight on, but this wasn't one of those times. So I took the color Aziza and I put it on my brow bone just to highlight just a little bit, only a little bit. And then I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Yeah, liquid liner to line my top lid. Yeah, that's the top. Yeah, so I used my liquid eyeliner to line my top lid, and as you all can see, I had to dip back in for a little bit of extra juice. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So guys, let me tell y'all, I just got through eating the best veggie salad, and I'm always saying my food is the best because I love my salads. If I don't love anything else, I love my salads. But when I tell you putting just a little bit of cilantro on your salad, it amps it up another notch. Well, anyway, you all can see I'm bronzing with, not bronzing, I'm contouring with my Caramel Cutie from Fenty Beauty. And you guys, I forgot to go and contour my nose this time. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's okay. I think my nose is cute anyway, but I still like a little contour. So then I go in with the blush Bella from Juvia's Place. And I didn't say it earlier, but that palette, of course, you all know is from Juvia's Place. So I used the Juvia's Place palette and the Juvia's Place blush. But when I tell y'all, this blush is so pigmented. As you can see, I'm taking my crayon case brush and I'm trying to bring that down just a little bit because it stood out entirely too much. And then let's go ahead and highlight with this Laura Geller, and it is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator, and this is what I'm using to highlight. So as you all know, I have this mole on the side of my face that I've said I'm gonna get lasered off, but I don't know. But anyway, it's brown in color. However, I go and I put some black mascara on it because when I put my foundation and things on, it loses its color. So I need to find me actually a brown liquid liner to go over that with. So here I'm putting on my lashes, and this whole video, pretty much I try to do it in real time instead of speeding it up. So instead of speeding it up so you guys can see just about how long it takes me to kind of like do my shadow and my mascara and my lashes. Now mind you, I did cut some out, but when it comes to the lashes, This whole entire thing is real time. The only thing you didn't see was me putting the glue on the lashes and sending them down so that they can kind of dry a little bit and get kind of tacky. So for those of you that are new to putting on lashes, you can't just put the glue on the lash and then immediately put it on your eye, because it's going to move around. That just does not work. So make sure you let them dry a little bit. I used to, when I first started wearing them, which I don't wear them often, but when I first started wearing them, I used to blow them for about 30 to 45 seconds. But now I just put the glue on there and just let them sit for a minute. And once I think they're tacky enough, then I just go ahead and put them on my eyes. Oh my God, I'm so out of breath. I had to run downstairs and get my package. Yay! Anyway, okay, so here what happened was a little bit of the glue got on my eyeshadow. So I had to go back over and fix that a little bit to, you know, make it back even and smooth. And of course, here I am putting on a little bit of mascara to mix the falsies with my real lashes. And then for this look, I did not want any liner or any eyeshadow on my bottom lid, on my waterline. So all I did was put a little bit of mascara down there, and that was it. And then, per usual, guess who had something to say to me? Yes, P was talking to me. And right here, I could have edited this out. However, look at my hair. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. But anyway, so here I go. I put on my lipstick, and you guys, I used this sample lipstick I got from Fenty, and I think it's in the color Griselda. I looked on the website because I cannot read the small writing on the bottom of this tube. But on my top lip, I put just a little bit too much on there. So that kind of got messed up, didn't quite go the way that I wanted it to go, because I wanted to have more of the gold on my top and my bottom. But nonetheless, I still think the lips came out really, really cute. So then I put the Fenty gold, I don't know what it's called, the gold lip liner, the one from the, I think it's Trophy Wife collection. And then I put some of that gloss on top of it. And the gloss, I had to take it and put it on the back of my hand because I didn't want to put that wand on my lips and get that dark color mixed in with my lip gloss, and because that wouldn't have been cute. No, it would not have. It would not have been cute. So anyway, after I got all my lips, got my lips together and all that good jazz, I went into, of course, the awkward slow-mo pics, and then these selfie pics, and then right after that, I go into taking the lashes off, because my lashes with the mascara on them by themselves kind of get mixed up with my glasses, kind of touch my glasses a little bit, so I definitely cannot wear falsies with my glasses. So anyway, that is it for this video. Per usual, thank you all so much for coming to check out a new video. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and thank you to those people that have let me know that you are enjoying my channel. I truly, truly, truly do appreciate it. So yeah, with all that being said, getting all mushy and stuff, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time and in between times, you lady, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. And I will do what? I'll see you in the next one.